Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. In today's video, we will be adding a quick disconnect to the cheap light whip we made ourselves. All it took was a cheap Amazon CB antenna base that has a quick disconnect built into it, and a few pieces from the local hardware store. The total price was just over $10, but still much cheaper than a regular light whip quick disconnect would be. But that's enough of an introduction. I'll let you guys enjoy the video. So at this point is where I made the one mistake I wish I could have gone back and redone. I left the threaded rod a little too long, and since it threads so far into the quick disconnect, it does not give it any space to compress, and therefore you can't open the quick disconnect. It's not really a big deal because I just don't thread the rod all the way in when I put the thread locker on it. But it would have looked nicer if I would have cut the threaded rod a little bit shorter just so it can go all the way in, so you wouldn't see that threaded rod at the very end. Moral of the story is, if you're going to be doing this yourself, cut the threaded rod a little bit shorter so it doesn't go all the way into the CB antenna quick disconnect base. and that's all there is to it. As you can see, it disconnects pretty easy, especially much easier than it used to be, having to thread a nut on there every single time. I did kind of scratch it up a bit with the pliers. Would have liked to have put a rag. Also would have liked to make the threaded rod a little bit shorter just so it doesn't show as much. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.